In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix unstable network connection in CapCut quickly and easily. If CapCut keeps showing connection errors, fails to load assets, or won't sync properly, don't worry. This usually comes down to a few simple network issues that you can fix in just a couple of minutes. Before we begin, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy CapCut tutorials just like this. Let's get started. First, verify that your internet connection is actually working. Open a web browser and try loading any website to confirm that your internet is active. If pages are not loading, the issue is not CapCut, it is your connection. If you are using public Wi-Fi, school Wi-Fi, office internet, or any network with restrictions, switch to cellular data or a different Wi-Fi network and test CapCut again. Some networks block the server's CapCut needs, so changing networks often fixes the problem right away. Next, disable any VPNs or ad blockers you may be using. Third-party VPNs, private DNS settings, and AD blocking tools can be very aggressive and may block CapCut's cloud services, which causes unstable network errors. Turn off your VPN, disable any ad blocker extensions or apps, and if you use private DNS, switch it back to automatic or default. Then reopen CapCut and check if the connection issue is gone. After that, clear the app cache inside CapCut. Over time, temporary files can build up and interfere with network requests, causing the app to behave badly or fail to connect properly. To do this, open CapCut, go to your profile or your settings area, tap Settings, then find the cache option and click the delete button next to the cache size. Once the cache is cleared, close the app completely and reopen it so CapCut can start fresh. If the error still appears, try restarting your device as well, because that can clear temporary network glitches in the background. These 3 steps fix the unstable network connection problem for most users. Confirm your internet is working, turn off VPNs and ad blockers, and clear the CapCut cache. If this video helped you, please make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more CapCut tips, editing fixes, and simple tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.